Kev G with a weather overview. Temperatures right now in the mid to upper 70s, lower 80s showing up. We had some clouds and even some fog early this morning. That burned off. Now we have some hazy sunshine trying to work its way through, but still some opaque cloud cover out there. And we do have some instability in the form of little disturbances that are actually going to be rotating through the atmosphere over the next 3 or 4 days. So while it's not going to be a washout, the areas most prone to getting thunderstorms in the summer, north and west of the city, even including the 5 boroughs, they have a chance. We have a chance at afternoon and evening thunderstorms. But I think the most widespread rainfall, if we do get any at all over the next 6 days, would be on Saturday afternoon, Saturday night with the passage of a cold front, and then possibly on Monday night into Tuesday, which is a little bit more uncertain because there's 2 disturbances that may come together to deliver, moderate to heavy rain from Monday night into Tuesday. But my confidence, looking at the models, is pretty low on that one right now. So that was in telecast.com with your current temperatures. We don't have anything going on there or outside right now, but what we do have is this instability circling around the area with multiple shots at showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days, but I think for areas north and west. So what I did was I looked at the HRRR model. This is off of Tropical Tidbits, and this is for this afternoon, and I think it gives you kind of a good representation of what's going to happen not only today, but for Thursday and Friday. So we're going to have a lot of low clouds and fog in the morning over the next couple of days. They'll burn off in the mid to late morning, and then these pop-up thunderstorms will start to develop. And you can see where the concentration of these storms are. They're north and west of the city. Maybe a few make it into the 5 boroughs. Maybe they don't. But this is basically an afternoon and evening affair. And sometimes on the north shore of Long Island, they can get a sea breeze thunderstorm. Again, I wouldn't take this at, I wouldn't take this at face value. But what I would suggest is that, for the areas that have the most coverage in this particular frame, those are the areas to look for over the next few days as we work through some instability. And also we have a lot of warm and humid air, so it is a possibility that these storms would have sufficient fuel, but they won't last long in any one particular place. Now when we switch gears, this is for Thursday afternoon, and again you can see kind of the theme where it's north and west of the city has the best chance of seeing afternoon and evening storms. And then as we get to Saturday, we have a more important cold front that comes through, and this will make things a lot less humid for Sunday. I think it'll knock humidity levels down. So there's a chance for strong to severe thunderstorms in a more widespread fashion Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. Again, I would probably favor areas north and west once again. They stand the best chance, but I'll keep an eye out for you. And then as we get into Monday, we have this storm that, it may come up the eastern seaboard. It may not. It's a little low pressure system that develops. We saw what happened last weekend where the storm missed to the south. So this is going to be a close call once again from Monday night into Tuesday, and we'll just have to see how it plays out. But Sunday looks like a very good day over the weekend as we take a look at Weather Underground. Yeah, look at that Sunday, 83, baby. No humidity. I think that's a gem right there for you Sunday. Last Sunday wasn't too shabby either. But all in all, it's a classic summertime pattern in the sense that north and west of the coastal plain has the best shot at storms every day through about Sunday, and then we wait to see what happens with that storm system on Monday night.